Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new feature of TikTok that has just been released. I'm not quite sure when, but it's the nudge feature, okay? So the first thing I want you to do is run on App Store real quickly. So let me just go back to the landing page of App Store. So this is the landing page and this is what you'd expect. So just type in the search bar, of course, TikTok. What we're doing right now is we're making sure we have the best version available on our device. Earlier, I just updated this around 20 seconds ago, so please update it if you see an update logo right here, and if you only see open, that means you have the best version available right now on your device. That being said, please click on open with this one. So this is gonna be my landing page, okay? So with this one, the nudge option should be only available if you're messaging someone and you're exchanging conversations. So let me just head to my inbox right there. And here is going to be my friend. As you can see on the bottom part, there's a heart, a laughing react, a like sign, and also the nudge option right there. Okay? So with this one, simply click on nudge, just like saying that hello, I'm here, I'm asking for attention, and so on and so forth. Basically, that's it. That's only the nudge option right there. So to acquire that, make sure you have the best version of TikTok available already installed on your device. Okay? So that's it. That's how you use your nudge option on TikTok. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.